8:20 here in Malaysia, so that means it's about 8:20 in Thailand. I'm awake, ready to go hiking. I'm super excited because I guess hiking here in Malaysia is like really awesome. So I haven't done a morning hike in forever. And it's not even early. It sounds like I'm like really tired. Like, oh, it's like 6 a.m. It's only 9 a.m. But I guess I'm just really tired because lately I've barely been getting sleep. So I'm still kind of exhausted, but it'll be nice to just get out and explore a bit more in Malaysia. So come. I really appreciated my mornings here in Malaysia. My couch surfer, Asama, was so sweet. We talked a lot and we got to learn a little bit about each other. We finally made it to the nice little garden. It was quite hot here in Malaysia, but it was really beautiful and peaceful. I was really thankful that Asama took me to this garden. It meant a lot for her as she came here quite often. I was very happy that she decided to show me a little piece of her world. One thing I found really nice is the fact that there are a lot of people doing meditative practices here. It's quite peaceful and relaxing.
It's okay. It's a video.
I find myself working in a really cute cafe. I don't know why I do this to my mouth, who knows, but this is my working face. After the cafe, I stumbled upon a Hindu temple. To my surprise, it was right next to it, so I figured might as well check it out.
Okay, alright. The name of this temple is Sri Mahamariamman. Okay. The god who rules this temple is Lord Shiva's wife. Okay, and she is Mahamariamman. We call her Amma, mother. This temple, surrounding this temple is full of electromagnetic vibrations. Okay, electromagnetic vibrations. So the power in this temple lasts for 12 years. 12 years.
Why 12 years?
Yeah, every 12 years once they will instill the power. You know, they will conduct ceremonies and rituals by way of which the power will be instilled.
After the first temple, I went along with some new friends and we decided to go to another temple. They were giving out food, so we figured let's have dinner. One thing that's really interesting about a Hindu temple is that the fact that you have to wash your feet before entering. It helps get rid of all the negative energy that you attract.
This way, right?
Yeah, clockwise, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good. It is common practice in Hindu temples that you're supposed to walk clockwise.
That looks nice.
try some?
Yes, it was finally dinner, so yay, we can eat now. It was my first time having food from a Hindu temple. It was really nice and also free, so it was very kind of them to have this offering. Apparently they do this every single day.
The other one was rice with honey.
This one's you said rice and honey?
That one.
Oh, this one.
And that was sour.
One really interesting thing about eating Indian food is the fact that you have to eat with your hands. So of course we did it too. I love Indian food. It's actually my favorite type of food, and this was so good.
So I am currently at the second tallest building in the world.
After quickly checking out the second tallest building in the world, we decided to go ahead and get some drinks. The bar was pretty cool because it was disguised as a toy shop, but actually if you go through a bunch of doors, it's a bar. My second day of Malaysia was so relaxing and so nice. It was good to make new friends and to explore more of the city.
Table for five.